4.1 number 6 asks you to determine which quadrant the angle is in, and there are different ways students will think about it, so I will show you a couple methods. First of all, if I did my unit circle, my quadrants, right, this would be 0 or 2 pi, and this one would be pi over 2, and this one would be pi. And then when you look at this one, has a denominator of 10, so 5 pi over 10 would be the same as half, and 10 pi over 10 is the same as pi. And so I know that 9 over 10 pi is in quadrant 2. Other people might take 9 pi over 10 and multiply by 180 over pi. That's the conversion that we had worked on, and so you can get rid of the pi symbols, and then you can take 9/10 of 180. So if I went to a calculator and did 9/10 times 180, you get 162 degrees. And 162, right, this is 90 degrees and this is 180 degrees. 162 would also tell me that we're in quadrant 2. Now, one last way to do this, some students find it easy when you work with what are called the approximate radians. So we had 0 and 3.14, and this is 1.57, and this is 4.71. And I guess if we went all the way around, we said this is 0 or 6.28. So those are the approximate radians. And so if I take my 9 pi over 10 and I went to a calculator and I went 9 over 10 times pi, I get a number that's 2.83, let's call it. So 2.83. Well, 2.83 is more than 5.7, but it's not quite 3.14, so I would also know that that is Q2. Just remember on this one, the negative sign, you're going to start this way and go backwards. So figure it out going backwards wherever the quadrant is.